Hello guys, welcome back. So in the last lecture you have seen how to write the headings and paragraphs, and you also know what's the use of BR break, and you know different heading tags, right, from H1 to H6. So you have learned all those. So guys, if it is your first time learning HTML, I suggest you, it would look very simple, but you will not remember all the tags. Okay, writing starting from doc type, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, BR tag, P tag, H1 to H6 tag. So which is the bigger tag, H1 or H6? So you will not remember all these things. So in order to remember, practice more. Okay, by practicing you will be getting remembered everything. Okay, and also in future classes, in future lectures, you will be seeing number of tags. Okay, it is not possible to remember all the tags, but you need to remember. So practice more. Okay, practicing gets you remember all the things. Okay, fine. So I have removed all the body. Now you can see there's nothing. So I'm going to start again from the start. Okay, so how to write a heading using h tag? You can use anything from h1 to h6, but it's my main heading, so I'm going to keep a h1 tag, and I'm going to write self study as the heading. Now refresh this, you can see self study in h1 tag. So it's the highest we can get, but since this is the heading, I want this heading not to be the side heading. Okay, I want it to be the main heading in the center. So how to get this self study to the center? Okay, for center you will have a separate tag called center, not re, it's er. See, center, not re. Okay, remember that. So this is the center. So I'll just what needs to be the center? Self study needs to be the center. So the self study should be surrounded with the center tag. Okay, so I'm going to cut this and I'm going to paste it here. Fine. So now it's the center. So since we have written center here, okay, so the self study will go to the center. So I'll save this and I'll reload this. Now you can see that self study has gone to the center. So it is in the size of a mobile. Okay, so if you want a tablet, it would be this. So it's getting automatically adjusted, you can see, according to the screen size. If you want it to be a laptop, it would be somewhere around like this, right? So it is getting adjusted according to the screen size or screen ratio. Okay, so if it's mobile, it's getting automatically adjusted according to the screen size, so it's getting aligned center to the center. Okay, fine. So this is self study and it is located to the center. Fine. So you came to know what's the use of this center tag. Okay, next, if in some of the websites or web pages you can see that there are some scrollings going on, right, from here to here. This website is something something like there is some tags going on from left to right, or sometimes right to left, some tags are coming, right? You can see some tags, right? So I want jelf to go from here to here, and study, I mean this study, to go from here to here. Okay, how to do that? How to do those animation things? Okay, so first I'm going to tell you a new tag called marquee. Okay, marquee, marquee. So it is something which gives the direction. So whatever you write in between the marquee, it will be indicating a direction. Okay, so if jelf, okay, jelf, fine. So this jelf will be flowing from, you can see, I'll reload this and you can see. So this jelf is coming from right to left. Here you can see it's coming from right to left. So increase the screen size and it will also increase the time. Okay, it will also come from here, not from here. Okay, you can see. Yeah, it. So keep this in mind. I'll not every time do this like increasing or decreasing the tab sizes. Okay, so I'll not increase or decrease the tab sizes every time. Remember this, whatever the things you write here, those will automatically, what they'll automatically gets adjusted according to the screen size, whether it's a mobile, a tablet, or a laptop, or computer, or desktop, whatever it may be, or a TV. So this will be adjusted automatically. Remember that. Okay, just give me a sec. Yes. Now you can see that marquee is giving a direction, but it is giving the direction from right to left. But I want this gel from left to right. Remember, marquee tag always gives the direction from right to left. It's the default. It's the default thing. So it's from right to left. If you want to change the direction, you need to specify here. Okay. So you can give space direction equals, you can give the direction. What's the direction? If I want to get this right, okay, so I'll give right, RIGHT. So it means it will go to right. Okay, it is not the meaning like coming from right. Okay, it is going to right. Okay, if you, yeah, is going to right. Since you have written right, it is going towards right. Okay, right end. So marquee direction, the direction I have specified, right? So whatever I write here, it will go to right side. Okay, so study wants to be from left. Okay, again I'm going to give a marquee. Remember these tags are important. Okay, so you will be seeing many tags. Okay, by the end of the whole syllabus you are going to see many. So what I suggest, practice more so that you will remember. So let me reload this. You can see Jelf is going to right, study is coming to left, because by default it will come to left. If we specify any direction, it will go to right. You can also specify the direction for left, but it's not necessary because it's by default. If you want to, you can see here direction equals left. Whether you specify or not, by default it's going to left. If I reload this, you can see. Okay, so by default it goes to left. So it is also another important point. What is mark v direction by default? By default the direction is left. Okay, I'm going to say nothing changes. Okay, fine. So this is how you are going to see the scrollings. Okay, so you can write anything here. You can write like this website is going to shut down from something to sometime. Okay, xx am to xx pm due, I mean due to maintenance. Sorry for the inconvenience. For the inconvenience. Okay, so there may be some spelling mistakes. Sorry for that, but you can see this messages sometimes on the websites, right? On the government websites or whatever. There will be something like this, right? So if you want to give this type of messages starting from right to left or left to right, you can use this. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. So it's in opposite direction. So let me do this. I'll remove this direction. Okay, now you can see, uh, let me save this. This website is going to shut down from am to some pm due to maintenance. Sorry for the inconvenience. So this message will come again and again and again. Okay, so this is how you will write the tags. Okay, So now, um, yeah, fine. So now, um, if you want to write some chemical formulas, okay, in chemistry you can see like some of the web pages show the chemistry thing, right? Chemistry things, okay. So in that you can see, let me write this, okay. The chemical formulae of water is H2O. Sorry, yeah, H2O. Okay, is something like this, right? H2O or capital H, I mean uppercase H, right? H2O. So if I save this and I'll run this again, you can see here the chemical formula of water is H2O. But this 2 should be somewhere like suffix, right? This 2 should be in down here. But how to write that? So there is a way to write that, okay. So how to write that? You can keep the 2 in between the sub, okay, so that it will go to down, okay. This 2 should be enclosed with sub. H is fine, but 2 should be sub, okay. So the 2 should be sub. So I'm um, cutting this and I'm going to paste it over here, and let me save this. And sorry, some new website opened. So you can see now this sub. So using this sub, you can get this to down here, okay. So the chemical formula of water is H2O, okay. So in this way you can give these sub things like this, okay, in the web pages, okay. It will go to down. Next thing would be something like powers, okay. Let me break this. So if you want to write 2 power 3 equals 8, right? 2 power 3 equals 8. So you are going to write 2 and the power would be 3 something equals 8. So how to write it like power? Let me reload this. You can see 23 equals 8, but this 3 should be the power. 2 power 3 equals 8. So how to write that? How to write it in power? So instead of writing sub, we'll write super, sup, sup is the tag. Okay, so this 3 should in between the sup. Okay, I'm cutting it and pasting it over here. So now save this and let me run this. You can see here 2 power 3 equals 8. So this is how you will write the down, and this is how you will write the powers, okay. So H2O, the chemical formulas, how you will write using the sub, and using SUP, you are going to write power. And this is something which you can scroll the things, okay. Sometimes you will see, right, this type of messages going from like this. So this is how it basically works, okay. So here is the heading. This is how we'll get into the center, okay, center. So this marquee is something important because if you are going into a real-time project, this marquee will play very major roles in the updates, okay. Because if you are in your maintenance team and like you want to take some messages like this, okay. So these are something very important, right? This should be yeah, something very important. So you will write this, and in order to write the content, if you are a content writer in a web page, then these writing the chemical formulas or powers is very much important, pretty much important, right, in order to write a content. So if you want to be a good content writer, then you should be aware of these, okay. Content writer in not in the sense of content writer something like they'll write the content, right, not like that, but for the web pages, okay. So these are the things which I planned to tell you in this lecture. So I hope it is pretty much clear. So let's meet up in the next lecture. Thank you.